So why is the Fuji X100v the coolest camera? Why is it sold out everywhere? Why is it $2,000 or $3,000 when it came out it was only $1,300? Well, there's a few reasons. It's small, it's almost pocketable, it's weather sealed if you put a little filter on the front. It has really good video quality, really good slow motion. All of the Fujifilm film simulations, including Eterna, Acros, Classic Chrome, Pro Negative High, Pro Negative Standard, all that stuff. And those are great for video. I use that a lot for just short video clips. I think Fujifilm has the most cinematic video of any camera system. And with the X100V, you can take it everywhere. It's light. You almost forget that you have it on you, and you can get really good video footage. You might say, but it doesn't have image stabilization. That's true. But it has slow motion, and if you're filming at 120 frames a second, it doesn't matter if you have any image stabilization. With cameras like the ZV-E10, the digital image stabilization turns off when you're filming in slow motion, and you don't need it. The autofocus is really good. The lens is great. I've shot a lot of portraits with it. You can use that built-in flash, and you can sync it up to 1/4000th or 1/8000th of a second. I don't remember if it goes up to 1/8000th of a second, but either way, it's really crazy when you have a leaf shutter and you can do that high-speed sync with that built-in flash. It makes that flash really powerful. You can overpower the sun with that flash. So yeah, there's a lot of reasons. It looks nice. It looks like a cool camera. You feel cool using it. It has an optical viewfinder. There's so many reasons why it's a great camera, but I'm going to tell you today, there's a camera that is better than the X100V. And that is the Ricoh GR3X. It's better in almost every way. It's way more pocketable. It's sharper. The colors are better. Positive film is way better than classic chrome. It's punchier. It just, the photos look so much better. The one problem with the Ricoh GR3X is the video is terrible. You can't use it for video. And that's I mostly use Fuji for video. I do a lot more videos than I do a lot more with video than I do with photography. And that's one problem you have with the Ricoh. So yeah, the Ricoh GR3 is better for photos, in my opinion. If you disagree, let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to debate with you down there, though I probably will never even look at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.